Hey everyone! Welcome to Easy Japanese. If you're planning to visit Japan, watch anime, or just love the language, this is the perfect place to start. Today, we're going to learn the most useful and helpful Japanese phrases for beginners. I'm Yui from Kyoto. Let's learn Japanese together. Then let's get started. Number 1.
こんにちは。
It means hello or good afternoon. Use this when you meet someone during the day. Example, you walk into a store and say, こんにちは to the staff. Number 2, ありがとう. It means thank you. To be more polite, say, ありがとうございます. Example, someone holds the door for you. Say, ありがとうございます. Number 3, すみません. It means, excuse me, or sorry. Use it when bumping into someone or getting someone's attention. Example, すみません、駅はどこですか? Excuse me, where is the station? Number 4, hi andいいえ. Hi means yes, andい means no. Example, はい、わかります. Yes, I understand. いい大丈夫です. No, it's okay. Number 5, おはようございます. It means good morning. With friends, you can just say おはよう. Example, when greeting your teacher in the morning, say おはようございます. Number 6, こんばんは. This means good evening. Use it when greeting someone in the evening or at night. Example, you arrive at a dinner party and say こんばんは. Number 7, おやすみなさい. It means good night. With friends or family, just say おやすみ. Example, before going to bed, say おやすみなさい to your parents. Number 8, わかりません. It means I don't understand. Very useful if you're just starting out. Example, すみません、リーベンユがわかりません. Sorry, I don't understand Japanese. Number 9, 英語を話せますか? It means, can you speak English? Try this if you're stuck in a conversation. Example, ask a local, 英語を話せますか? Can you speak English? Number 10, いくらですか? It means, how much is it? Super helpful when shopping in Japan. Example, point at an item and say, いくらですか? Great job today. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Matane.